Hey everybody, my name is Avra Robinson and I'm an instructor with EdTech Teacher. And lately I have been using the print friendly and PDF extension, Google Chrome extension in my workshops with teachers, and I'm also using it as I teach college. And I'm finding that there's just a couple things about it that I just really love. So I thought I'd just make a quick screencast and show it to you. So basically, it's right here in my extensions bar. It's this green one. It's called Print Friendly and PDF. And what it does is it basically will take any web page and make it into a PDF file for you. So when I was teaching K through 8, this was something I needed all the time because it felt like whenever I found a great resource, I was always worried that the next year when I went back, I wouldn't be able to find it again. But Print Friendly does even more than that. Besides being able to print to PDF and create that PDF file, it also lets you personalize it a little bit. So let me just show you what it looks like. I did start using this also because it just cleared the page of all this extra stuff. So as we look at like this National Geographic's kids website, it's great, but it's got additional superfluous information and ads and things like that. And so this PDF creator extension actually just gets rid of that too. So watch as I click, and you can see the menus at the top of the page and some of the ads and things like that are gone. If it leaves behind anything that you don't want, what I love about Print Friendly and PDF is that as I rest my mouse on these different sections here, you'll see that I get this garbage can, trash can icon, and I can delete things. So I can delete entire sections of text. If you're an elementary teacher and you're finding that some of it is beyond the reading level of your students, you could tailor that which you push out to them. But also you can just get rid of things like if you're thinking, I don't need this additional image here, it's just taking up too much room, you can delete it. And then all you have to do, guys, is click here where it says PDF, and it's going to go ahead and generate a PDF for you. So it does give you some ads, but as a teacher, I can ignore those. Could go ahead and hit download my PDF. It's going to download it to my downloads. I'm in Google Chrome, so it just goes into my downloads folder. And from there, I usually upload it to Google Drive. Sometimes I push things out to my students in classroom, and whatever your learning management system is, or however you want to push it out to kids, you can. You can also print or email the file too. So that's Print Friendly and PDF. It's one of my favorite extensions, and you can be found in the Chrome Web Store. And I'm Avra Rachel at Avra Rachel on Twitter. If you have a favorite extension, I'd love to hear from you. Or if you have any questions on how to use it or need some help, I'm Avra at edtechteacher.org is my email address, and I'd be glad to help you. So thanks. Have a great day, guys.